Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert a YouTube video to PowerPoint slides. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, just open up your internet browser on your Android or iPhone phone or your laptop or computer device. So just open up your internet browser and go to google.com, and here you have to just search for magicslides.app like this, and now just go to the first link after you search this, and here you just have to upload a video, or you can just put in the YouTube video you want to convert to PowerPoint slides, and it will create a PowerPoint slide from the video you provided for absolutely free. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.